All right, Jaden Williams, man of the match performance against a Calabar team that is looking to bounce back. How do you evaluate your performance for this game?
We have to just work harder, you know, come out stronger next time, more pressing, everything in our one.
I see that in the early stage when the guys went 1-0 down, you guys started to get a bit nervous, but you guys hold your head up and started to put in a lot more work. So, what was the coach's instruction at halftime when you guys were 1-0 down?
Coach's instruction was to settle, just calm down, because everyone was too, like, what did I say? Like, everyone was cussing, like, everyone was like, they want to fight, no one never come to play football. So the coach says, work on that and come again and come harder, second.
All right, and congratulations on winning man of the match, and see you guys again for the next game.